What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nivi Legend123, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Apple Pencil second generation. So on the front here we can see that it has the Apple Pencil on the front. On the sides we can see that it has the Apple Pencil over here, same goes for here, and on the back here we can see the Apple Pencil font, and then it says for iPad models with magnetic Apple Pencil connector. And we can see the newer iPads, the side have the magnetic charging connector, so that is how we use it to pair with the new iPad. I'll show you later in a sec. So let's get to unboxing this. Okay, so let's open that seal and reveal what's inside this box. Okay, so now that we've taken the seal off, we need to uncover the tab that holds inside this box. Okay, so we have taken the top cover off. Now we need to go through the items. So it says designed by Apple in California. So as you can see, it has English, Chinese, Thai and Korean in instructions. These are instructions for the Apple Pencil. Okay, and over here we some regulatory information. Combined with more regulatory information in different languages. And here we have something. And here we have the Apple Pencil itself. Okay, so let's open that seal. Okay, so now I have the iPad Pro here in my hands and I have the Apple Pencil here. Let's pair this up. So what you need to do is put the Apple Pencil next to the magnetic charger. It's over here, and just do like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. As you can see, welcome to Apple Pencil. Your Apple Pencil unlocks a whole new iPadOS experience, letting you annotate, draw, mark up and edit in the apps you use every day. So these are the features. Continue. Try scribble. Okay. Delete. Select. Insert. Join. Okay, so let me give you a demonstration of what happens with the Apple Pencil. So There you go. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on how should I improve my video below, and I will see you guys next time.